Are you ready to get corny? Because I have some corn and I'm stripping it down. Ooh, look at this beauty. Amazing. So, as you can see, this week we're eating corn. Let me finish with this and I'll be right back. I'm struggling! There's corn here everywhere! Okay, the hardest part for me. Ah! Oh shit. I mean, I have this left. Corn! Let's get this out of the way. Put that in here. And we're ready to move on. I've made 4 different recipes today. Yes, 4. 4! You heard me right. And they were all amazing. Some were surprisingly good. I don't have anything else to say. There's Grizzly and Evie who wants to steal my corn. So we're gonna get corny and cheesy today because we're gonna put some cheese on some corn and it's gonna be delicious. Let's go. I'm ready! So the first thing you'll want to do is peel all of the corn that you want to do, or peel only the ones that you want to boil, and the ones that you want to put on the barbecue, leave them in the leaves. Yeah, the leaves. So what you want to do is you want to find a pot that you can fit at least 3 corn in it. You want to put your corn at the bottom of the pot. You want to add enough water that you're almost halfway to the corn. You want to add a cup of heavy cream or a can of coconut milk. Then you want to add half a cup of milk, or what I added is cashew milk, a 1/4 cup of butter, and you want to bring that to a boil. Oh yeah, you also need to add 1/4 cup of sugar, or like I did, maple syrup. You want to try and mix everything as well as you can. Add some salt, and I added some garlic into the mix as well to add even more flavor. You want to bring it to a boil over medium-high heat. So you don't bring it to the maximum temp, you just put it to medium-high until it boils. It will take a little while. While this is boiling, what you want to do is you want to melt 1 generous tablespoon of butter. You want to add some pepper, some garlic powder, some paprika, some salt, some thyme, and you want to mix that together. Once the corn are boiling, you want to reduce the temperature to low simmer and simmer it for 8 to 10 minutes. I boiled them 13 minutes. I looked at my video after, and once I noticed it was boiling, it was a total of 13 minutes, and they were perfectly cooked, but it was not a big bubble boil. So if you do big bubble boil, 8 to 10 minutes, but if you do small bubble boil, you can go up to 13 minutes. 10 minutes is the ideal time to boil corn so that it's not overcooked and not undercooked. Once you're done with the corn, you want to use a brush or whatever you have to spread the butter on the corn. And you want to put all of that flavorful butter on the corn. You can see it will go in all the little grains and everything, and it will be super tasty. Look at this beauty. It was really tasty. It was Luigi's favorite. It was really good. And I think it was my favorite as well. Next corn that you want to do some garlic butter first. So butter, garlic, pepper, salt, some thyme again, and you want to mix that. And this one is not melted butter, it's just regular butter. Then you want to pre-cook your corn in water. So you want to boil it for 10 minutes. Or you can leave it in the leaves and cook it on the barbecue for like 20 something minutes, I think. 10 to 12 minutes. I don't have a barbecue, so I have to read the notes. But you can cook it on the barbecue and then you can put the butter on it. But what I did is I pre-boiled it because I don't have a barbecue. So here's a non-barbecue friendly recipe. I pre-boiled the corn 10 minutes and they're ready to eat after 10 minutes. So what I did after is I put it into my panini press because it has like lines in it. So it gives the like grilled effect. And I just put the butter all over the corn and it was melting, so it was easy to just spread on it. And I put it into the panini press. After a little while, I added some paprika into the butter to help the corn grill a little bit more. And I've put that back into the panini grill. It didn't grill that fast. It didn't really make grill marks. So you could honestly skip that step. But if you want to have grill marks, you can maybe leave it a little bit longer and be a little more patient than I am. Or I would say do it on the barbecue. it was still really delicious. Then you remove it from the panini press and you sprinkle some Parmesan on. And optionally you can add some parsley as well, which I forgot because I was hungry. And this is what they look like. It was really, really tasty. And I shouldn't have rotated the plate there so that they are all on the same side, but I did it so it's too late. And yeah. For the next recipe, which is sponsored by Chickadee. Thank you, Chickadee. It is elote. It is a Mexican string corn grilled and smothered into a creamy mayo topped with chili powder, cheese, and lime. I forgot the lime, but it was still good. It would have been better with the lime. Don't forget the lime. So what I did is I added some of the butter from the previous corn on it. So butter, salt, pepper, thym, paprika, and garlic. I spreaded some of that butter to grill the corn, and I tried to make them grill a little bit more for those. While they were grilling, I mixed what is the equivalent in American food that is the closest to the original recipe. So I did some research. You're supposed to put 2 tablespoons of Mexica crema, but I couldn't find that anywhere here. It can be substituted by sour cream. So 2 tablespoons of mayo and 2 tablespoons of sour cream into a bowl. And you want to mix that together. My bowl was too small, so I transferred and mixed and transferred again. Don't ask. It was the process of the day. Then you're supposed to put half a cup of freshly grated cojita cheese or queso fresco. I didn't have either of those. So after doing some research, they say it can be replaced by feta or Parmesan cheese. So I figured if those 2 cheeses are similar, together they must be even closer. So I've put a 1/4 cup of feta and a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, mixed that together into a bowl. That is what I used as a topping on the corn. So once the corn are grilled, you want to spread the sour cream mayo mixture all over the corn, everywhere. Then you want to sprinkle some of that chili powder. You can use spicy chili powder for a better spiciness taste. Then you want to sprinkle the cheese mixture, add some parsley, and that's where you would press the lime juice that I forgot. Please don't forget. And this is what they look like. They were really yummy. They were really good. And I might do it again. Who knows? And this is the classic version, what I've eaten all of my childhood. I don't know how you guys ate your corn in your childhood, but this is how my family used to eat corn at the end of the summer. We boil them for 10 minutes. Then we spread some salted butter and we add salt on it, like too much salt. It needs to be salty, and then you simply eat it. Some people also just use the corn and roll it into a butter brick and then they sprinkle the salt on it. I think it's a good idea, but I don't like it at the same time. This is what it looks like. It's pretty simple. It's butter with salt and corn. So here you go. So that's the recipe for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys had fun watching this. I sure had recording it, and it was really, really tasty. And I still have my fancy little corn here that I'm gonna go cook and eat soon. I'm excited. So yeah, those 4 recipes we have: Parmesan corn on the cob, elote, milk and butter corn, and the classic butter and salt. I don't even know if it has a name, but that's how we ate it here with some hot dogs or burgers. And it's like end of summer party and eat some corn, and it was amazing. A lot of childhood memories in this. And I hope you guys will be able to build your own memories with those new recipes. Thank you for watching this video. If you're not subscribed yet, please click on the link below to subscribe. And I have all those links that you can click on it and follow me if you want more of this thing here, me. And I wish you an amazing day. That's it for today. Here's my corn. You want to share? Because I have plenty in the kitchen. Here, take it. What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Why are you not making the recipe? I'm eating. I'm busy. Please, it's time to go cook now. Go make some corn. It is delicious.